Alright, everybody on YouTube. This is a 2008 Toyota Tundra. The tailgate latch broke on me. We've already taken the panel off, which is sitting right over here. Put it back on later. But we're going to change this out. And this is the new one I got off on Amazon for like 19 bucks. Alright, go ahead. Now, you have to take these out right here. These pop out just like that. And they pop out. And these pull out right there. And these pull out right there. And you finish taking these right here out. When you get it out, you're going to have to take this key out of here and put in the new one. We got the screws out. Okay. There's a little clip right here. You're going to push that little clip in. Grab it. It comes right on out. Alright, next you're going to take this little right here, this little clip out. Right? So get it out of there. So maybe it goes like that. And then you have to take this piece right here out for the key. This little thing is clipped to that. You pop that out. And then you just pull it out like that. This has got a thinner side, this has got a fatter side. It'll show it on there. Now this is garbage. Take this one. Put the key in here. This has got a thin side and a fat side. Thin side, fat side. Make sure you put this over that. And then just push down. Pops right. We're gonna put it in. Make sure that clips in there. So now she's clipped in. So now I'm gonna turn this right. Oops, camera guy sucks, huh? Put that right there. And you're gonna turn it, and it snaps in place. I'm trying to break it. Snaps in place. This over here. Camera guy sucks. There you go. Now, those are tight. There it goes. That's it. Put this piece back on. And there we go. I'll put this back on. Now, just put them in. All that's done. Everything's buttoned back up. Test it. Hey, it works.